Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to change your Sceptre monitor to 120 Hz. First, we will use the monitor's built-in menu, also called the OSD or on-screen display menu. To begin, locate the physical buttons on your Sceptre monitor. These buttons are usually on the back or along the bottom edge of the screen. Press the menu button to open the monitor settings. Once the menu appears on the screen, use the navigation buttons to move through the options. Look for a section called Display or System. The exact name may be slightly different depending on your monitor model. Inside this menu, find the option called Refresh Rate. Select it and change the value to 120 Hz. Now, let's look at how to change the refresh rate through Windows. Start by right-clicking anywhere on your desktop. From the menu, click Display Settings. Scroll down and select Advanced Display Settings. Then click Display Adapter Properties for your Sceptre monitor. A new window will appear. Go to the Monitor tab. Here you will see a drop-down menu labeled Screen Refresh Rate. Select 120 Hz or a higher option if available, then click Apply. You can also change the refresh rate through the NVIDIA control panel or the AMD Radeon settings if you use those graphics cards. Thanks for watching.